Hello there, welcome to your latest Met Office forecast. Cloudier skies for many of us, particularly across southern parts of the UK through the rest of Saturday. There is still some brightness across northern areas, but rain will move into the northwest later this evening with an increasing wind as well. If we take a look at the earlier satellite and radar, mostly dry across the UK, but more cloud than what we've seen over the last few days. A few splashes of rain in places too. But overall, not a bad Saturday. We do have a lot of low cloud, however, across southern parts of Wales, southern England. This is slowly pushing its way northwards. Don't be surprised if you see the odd spot of light rain or drizzle falling from this cloud, particularly across the moors in the West Country. So you may need an umbrella here. But further north, it is a bright afternoon, still some sunny spells, the risk of one or two light showers, but overall it is a dry and bright afternoon. Perhaps a few splashes of rain reaching the Western Isles by later on this afternoon into the evening, but not a bad day. With southerly winds, temperatures well above average for the time of year still. We're looking at highs 12 to 14 degrees. We should be seeing 6 to 8 for this time of year, really. So through Saturday evening, we see a band of patchy cloud and rain push its way northwards. Overall, though, it is generally a dry end to Saturday. But during the early hours into Sunday morning, we see a band of rain move into parts of Northern Ireland, Western Scotland. Some of this rain could be heavy at times, but elsewhere it should stay dry, some low cloud, mist and murk in places. But where we do see any clear skies, particularly towards southeastern areas, we could see lows down to 2 or 3, perhaps a light frost first thing Sunday morning for those up early enough. But elsewhere, with southerly winds increasing across western areas, it's a mild start to Sunday. Bright start for many, but this rain across western areas will slowly push its way eastwards through Sunday itself. But just notice as we go into Sunday afternoon, that rain really begins to fragment, break up, allowing some brightness to develop as well. 1 or 2 splashes of rain across the spine of the country by the afternoon, but far eastern areas should stay dry all day with some decent sunny spells. And also further sunny spells following on behind across western parts of the UK. Perhaps 1 or 2 heavy showers, though, developing, particularly across parts of Northern Ireland, Western Scotland, where the wind will continue to increase, perhaps gales developing across the far northwest of Scotland by Sunday afternoon. But with that southerly direction, with that wind, it's going to be another mild day, 13, possibly 14 degrees for quite a large part of the UK. So for the new working week, high pressure generally dominates across southern parts of the UK, but this just allows weather fronts to topple over across the north and the west. So here we could see some outbreaks of rain, stronger winds at times throughout the new working week, but overall it should stay fairly mild with west to southwesterly winds. That's all from me. I'll see you again later.